Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel, Christilani Vlogs. Hope you all are having a fabulous day. Today I'm gonna just share with you what I purchased from Ulta. It all was on sale, so I figured why not. I'm gonna start collecting stuff for my giveaway for my subscribers. Make sure you're subscribed to me before I hit 2,000, or even when I'm hitting 2,000, it's fine. So we're gonna have 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I wish I could do more giveaways, but you know, life happens and it's not possible for me to do giveaways all the time because of the shipping and all that. You know, life happens, right? Alrighty guys, so the first thing I purchased was these Dose of Color lipstick. This is the nicest color that they had in stock at that time, and this is, I forgot the, sorry guys, it's called, what is it called, Play It Cool, and these were 75% off for all Dose of Color items. The person there said that the Dose of Color is leaving Ulta, so all their products are 75% off. So imagine that, right? Okay, and then I did purchase a Dose of Color. Make it all easier for us, right? Okay, so let's just look. This is a Dose of Color secure cap to prevent drying. This is an eyeliner, and it's in the color green. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one for myself, and look how pretty this packaging is. Okay. So the lipstick is the one that I have on right now. And then, oh, look at that. And then it's a green color. It's a dark green. I will play with this later, but yeah. So when I went to Ulta, it was, of course, the shelves were almost empty. I didn't know that it was on sale. So, and I also bought 3 highlighters from them. I'm just gonna open it for the sake of the video. I'll be popping one of these in the giveaway as well. This one is Supreme Glow Royal Hotness, and it's in this color here. I'm gonna keep one of them, but not too sure which one I'm keeping yet. Maybe it's, I'm not too sure yet. We'll see. But I'll be popping one of these in there. So the next one I got is I See You Baby. So this is I'm not swatching it because I'm gonna be putting it in my giveaway if you guys don't. One more. It's called Milk and Honey. Milk and Honey. Yeah, honey? Okay. So, and right here, so I can like customize the box when I find out who's the winner. So we can just, you know, I can customize it when you guys win, so I can put the right colors in there for you. So one of them will go to you, those highlights. And I got some Kylie Cosmetic lip matte kits. So I got 2 of these. These were on sale, but they weren't 75% off. They were like maybe half. I would say about half off. So this is in the color, I don't know. Why am I not seeing it? It just says Ulta Beauty on there. So I just thought it was made for Ulta, maybe. Not too sure, right? Sorry, my camera keeps going like dark and light. Maybe it's adjusting. So I got 2 of those Ulta Beauty The next one I got, it's called Party Girl. So this is a really light, not my color one, but this is what they had left. So possibly this will be going in the giveaway as well. I have, it's called Shook. It's another one of Kylie Cosmetic lipsticks. And for me nowadays, I'm more into a matte lip. Is what I'm about. And it's this color here. So you'll be getting one of the Kylie Cosmetic lipsticks, and then this, and then I'm gonna put more stuff in there. So that was my Ulta haul, and then I did purchase myself some lashes. I may as well share that with you guys as well. Alrighty, so what I purchased, it was buy one get one half off. So I got this one here. I wanted something more natural so that I can use it when I go out, because the lashes that I have are for my videos where it's like more dramatic, so it looks nicer. And the next one I got is this here. You know, yeah, so I have this one on, but a different style today, but it's very you can't really, it's not very dramatic, so it's more of a natural look. You can appreciate them more in person than on camera. That's why I like to do the big lashes for camera and videos, because you can see them better. Alrighty guys, if you guys like this video, you guys know what to do already. You guys go ahead and click that like and leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you visited me, and thank you so much. If you can just watch through my ads, I would appreciate that. And of course I do the same for you all. I just let the video run, the commercials, because I know, you know, it's hard lately. So every little bit counts for us. Yeah, and I would, you know, I'll appreciate all of that. So hope you all enjoyed this video. You guys take care. God bless. Don't forget to go ahead and go check out your Ulta. You never know what sale they have today, you know. Alrighty guys, take care. Alrighty, sorry, here I am again. So last but not least, I did purchase this poreless primer from Benefit. I've been always wanting to try this, only because my skin is not like it used to be. So it looks, let me see how it looks. I really do like it. You can be trying that on though, you know, all the time. That's what I'm going to be using all the time. So yeah, okay, and I'm just going to share with you guys what else would be in my giveaway. I do have this Tarte palette that is unopened. This will be in there as well. And then this it came from my my BoxyCharm. I'm going to put that in as well. It's the lip gloss tinted. Yeah, and that's about it. That's all I got so far, but stay tuned. I'll be building that box. We got maybe, I'm at 18, so we got a few hundred more to go. So don't forget to subscribe guys. Alrighty guys, this is for real the end of the video.